This is a Kobe. Wow. OMG. Another one. More light. Ta-da! Unboxing. Careful. What's the feeling? Good. Hmm? The background is Kobe. Oh my word! Oh my god! Excited!
Yeah.
Hard work.
That's right.
I think this one.
It's there. It's there. Yeah.
This one. Here.
Yeah. Good. I have glue on. I have to put on. Oh, it's tight.
Relax. Oh god.
It's very tight. Yeah.
Oh, grabe packaging. Kobe, excited. Why you're struggling? Oh no. Oh, look at that. Da-da-da-da-dun. They fasten very well because it's fragile. Yeah. Huh?
Valuable.
No, it's fragile. It's one but very expensive things. Hello. And then when you open, when it's open, there's another box again. Oh no! It's Johnny! Oh my world! Oh my world! Wow! So nice! So pretty! Ta-da! OMG! Look at that! Heavy duty clamp. Ah! This is the one, the clamp. Heavy, Daisha. What is? Ooh, wow. OMG! Amazing! Wow. Heavy. Oh no. What is it?
Quality.
Quality.
Lens cover.
Ah, lens cap. Another one. Ah, I forget the stick. OMG.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God, look at that. Finally, mayroon na tayong Insta 360.
Wow.
Wow, congratulations. Oh, for the EcoBook, this is heavy.
Isn't it?
Oh,
Wow.
thank you. Congratulations to me. Look, amazing.
Yeah.
You want to open it?
Yeah, come.
Yeah. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Careful. Wow. Wow. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wow.
Nice.
Yay, come on.
Then where's this selfie stick?
Selfie stick. Oh my world. Heavy. How many kuan? I don't know. Oh wow. Durable.
That's a nice one, huh?
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
OMG.
Nice one.
More?
That's all your instructions.
Because this is the...
Yeah. foam rubber in there, but we'll leave that in there.
Yeah, put it there. This one, I'm excited. Look. Insta 360. Oh wow, listen. Shh. OMG. Aray.
That might be
It's a fun. It's the feeling you unbox the
Nice one.
360.
feel
Nice.
lovely.
Oh wow. Open the briefcase. Struggling.
Wriggling a bit.
I think push this. Oh no. Oh no, here. Push. I think push.
Oh. Yeah.
Ayun. Magic. It's not pushing.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Wow.
Wow. Too sticky. Every moment, any angle, no limits. Wow. Wow. Oh my word. What's that? Oh no. Oh my god, heavy.
Wow.
Oh my god, I can't get it. Can you? Oh my god. Unboxing for more. Oh, heavy?
Yeah.
Oh wow, can I try? Oh no. Oh yes. Oh my god, it's so nice. Wow. Perfect.
Bit of kit now, isn't it?
Huh?
Beautiful.
So this is the
This is the bracket.
open that please. And this is the lens. Oh my god, nice the packaging. I love the packaging. Beautiful. Quick. Quicker.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Oh, very good. Oh.
Look at this. I love it.
Nice. That's quality, isn't it?
This one, what is this? Ah, the thingy.
This will be your lead.
The lid.
Oh, bracket.
Wow. It's very strong, look.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Oh my word, very heavy, babe.
Yeah.
Oh my god, looks.
Yeah.
Oh no, heavy.
Quality.
Oh wow, perfect.
Yeah.
Excited.
That's the other part of there.
This one, ba? Look,
Yeah, there's the other
the
clamp.
bracket.
There's
And,
the other clamp.
what is it called? Clamp?
That's a clamp. And that's a bracket. Go.
Yeah.
GoPro.
You assemble. I do not know.
Yeah.
For the GoPro? I know.
Yeah.
No, this one.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Insta cup. What Insta cup means? Lens? Oh my word.
That goes. Or whatever. But it's a GoPro for the angle. Isn't it?
No, it's not. I think here. This one. Look.
Yeah. Well, that there.
We'll see later. We can read that manual. But at least it's good. Wow.
Quality, that, isn't it?
Heavy.
Yeah, stickers in there. Glue.
Ah, glue.
The pads. That's an
Wow.
Allen key
Wow.
in there. And the top.
The last one. You open. You open your order. Aray ko. Kasakit ang tiil. Cup, lens cup
Lens
daw.
caps.
Wow. As in, wow. Gorgeous. Don't bother, Shigubi. Cup lens. So meaning another... Huh?
These are your lens caps.
Lens. Cover?
Yeah. Lens covers.
To cover the lens.
Yeah. Yeah. You want to get them out, you keep them dust free. So you need them. Yeah. That's what they are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lens or extra lens, just cup lens, just.
I
think it's like cup. Said cup lens.
Yeah. Yeah, they're your lenses.
Missy? Because this one, love, look.
Yeah.
So put in here.
Yeah, well,
Like that.
That's a protector.
Protector. Protect to the lens and then insert like this.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Wow. Oh my God.
Lovely. See that? Nice.
Beautiful.
So if you're not using it, you just pull it off.
It's look rubber.
Yeah. Nice.
It means if not used to cover
Cover it up, yeah.
Cover it up.
Yeah. Like a falcon's eyes.
Yeah, to make it safe
Yeah,
and clean. Oh my word. Oh my God, look at this. This one is, what is this? Charger, I think.
Yeah.
Charger. Congratulations. Bye-bye.